Hello students, welcome to the straight line part 3. Here we'll discuss the different form of straight lines. So what is the different form? So what is the constant can define a unique straight line? Like this one is slope and any point can define a straight line. If one point is given, that is x1 by 1, and slope tan theta is equal to m is given, then you can define a unique straight line. No other straight line can be passed through this one and make slope m, that is equal to tan theta. So how you can define that? So suppose this point is x1 by 1 and this is theta. Then this length is by 1 and this length is x1. Suppose some variable point is there on this, that is alpha beta. Then slope 2 point slope we know that m is will be alpha beta minus by 1 divided by alpha minus x1. So beta minus by 1 is equal to m into alpha minus x1. Now replace variable point with by and x. So this will be by minus by 1 is equal to m x minus x1. So this is the equation of a straight line. Now we can solve one question that obtain the equation which makes 135 degree with x-axis anti-clockwise direction and pass through point. This is 135 and passes through point 1 2. So by this is x1, this is by 1, and m is equal to tan 135 degree is equal to tan 180 degree minus 45 degree is equal to tan 45 degree minus, that is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1 and by 1 is equal to 2. So by minus 2 is equal to minus 1 x minus 1. So y minus 2 minus x plus 1. So that will be equal to, that implies y plus x is equal to 3. So this is the equation. Now come to the slope and intercept form. So this is slope theta, so tan theta is equal to m. This is slope and this is intercept. This is y-intercept. So let us see, this intercept is c. This is what will be the coordinate of this 0 comma c. So use this formula, then it will be y minus c is equal to m tan theta, that is m into x minus 0. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the, this one is into y intercept and this is slope. So if slope is given, y intercept is given, you can write the equation. Now obtain the equation line which makes 135 degree with x-axis anti-clockwise and having intercept 3. So this is 135 degree 1 135 degree. So tan 135 degree is equal to -1. We have calculated. So equation will be y is equal to m. M is -1 into x plus c. This is c. This is 3. So 3. So y plus x is equal to 3. Same equation. So now come to the third form. That is 2-point form. 2-point form. So suppose one line is there. This point is x1 by 1. This point is x2 y2. Then slope will be m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you take any point, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You can write this also, y minus y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. So both you will get the same answer. So now come to the this question. 2-point is given. 2-point is given. So suppose this one x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So y minus 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 into x minus 1. Sorry, this is 1. No? This is 1. So that implies y minus 2 is equal to minus x minus plus 1. So y plus x is equal to 3. You also get the same equation. So one equation can be written in different form. Now come to the double intercept form. Double intercept form is, suppose this is y intercept, that is b, this is x intercept, this is a. So this coordinate will be 0 b and this coordinate will be a 0. So use 2-point form. So use 2-point form. So by minus 0. This I have taken. This I have taken. Y minus 0 is equal to b minus 0 divided by 0 minus a into by x minus a. So this will be y divided by b is equal to x divided by minus a or minus plus 1. So y by b, b x by a plus b, that is equal. This is the double intercept form. Now equation, both intercept x by a. So x divided by 3 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. That is implies x plus y is equal to 3. So from all you are getting the same equation. Now the normal form. Normal form, suppose this is and this is normal to the that equal to p. Distance of this one is p. So and this is angle alpha. So this coordinate will be p cos alpha comma p sin alpha, and slope of this one. Slope of this one will be what? This is 0 0. This is, so slope will be p cos alpha divided by p sin alpha, no? P sin alpha minus 0 divided by p cos alpha. So p and p get cancelled. This is m. So this is m. So slope of this one is perpendicular because it's a normal. So this slope will be m1 into m2, m1 into, suppose this is m2. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. So minus 1 divided by sin alpha into divided by cos alpha. So that is equal to minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha. So equation of this one is y minus p sin alpha is equal to minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha into x minus p sin alpha. So this will become I minus p sin alpha into this sin alpha here, sin alpha, and this one is sin square minus x cos alpha minus p x this is cos alpha, no? So p cos square alpha. So this bring this way p sin square alpha, and this one here, the x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So equation become x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So this is the normal form. So this equation was normal makes 45 degree. So this is 45 degree, and this is equal to 3 by root 2. So equation will be x cos 45 degree plus y sin 45 degree 3 by root 2. So x by root 2 plus y by root 2 plus 3 by root 2 cancel x plus y equal to 3. So this way also you get the same equation. So from there we understood that linear equation is the equation of a straight line. So x by this is a linear equation. So linear equation is the equation of a straight line. So take a general equation of linear equation. So general linear equation is ax plus by plus c. So you can find all those things from this. How? Like you have to find the slope. So what you will do? You write into the form y is equal to mx plus c. So by is equal to minus ax minus c, and y is equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. So slope will be minus a by b, because this m and this is m, and y-intercept minus c by a. And now you have to suppose find the x-intercept. So what you will do? Ax plus by is equal to minus c. Then x is ax minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. So that implies xy minus c by a plus y is equal to minus c So minus c by b. So x intercept is equal to minus c by u, minus c by u. And by intercept we have already calculated intercept, that is equal to minus c by b. So this way you can find the x-intercept by intercept. Now you have to find the normal. Suppose you have to find this one. So you have to write in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha and p. So this p will give you the normal. So how you have to you can find. So ax plus by is equal to minus c. So you divide this one a square plus b square, and this will be a square plus b square root is equal to minus c a square plus b square. So p will be minus c root over a square plus b square. So this way you can find the p. And the alpha, this alpha is equal to cos alpha is equal to a by root over a square plus b square, and sin alpha is equal to b by root over a square plus b square. Why? Because you square it, it will get cancelled. Suppose cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, then it is a square plus a square plus b square plus b square a square plus b square, and get cancelled. This will become 1. So it is satisfying the cos alpha and sin alpha. So this will give you the p. P is normal to the curve to the last straight line from origin. Now come to the two important theorems. First is, if the line, suppose line is given and all points x1 y1 on one side, suppose x1 y1 one side, this one, and you were putting ax plus by1 plus c. मतलब you have put x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y, and it is greater than 0. So any point on this side will always give you this value greater than 0. And similarly, if suppose x2 y2 in this side, it is giving you ax2 plus b by2 plus c is less than 0. Say any point in this side will give you the less than 0. For example, consider the line y minus y is equal to 2x plus 3. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. This line. So 3 is intercept, and 2 is positive. So that's the way with the line. Either 0 3, and put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 by 2, and this is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So this is minus 2 and 0. Point minus 2 lie on the one side, and each of those point is good. So minus 2 0, it will be here minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, and 12 comma 5, 1 by 2 comma 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 5. Now you put in this equation, you will always find the same value. Suppose you are putting y is equal to 0 and x is equal to -2. So 0 plus 4 minus 3 is greater than 0. So this also will give you positive value only. Y is equal to 4, 4 plus 4 minus 3. That is also positive. Here you put x is equal to half, y is equal to 5. 5 minus 3. That is also greater than 0. Similarly, 0, 0. Here 0, 0. So you put 0, 0, 0, 0. This is minus 3 is less than 0. So 0, 0 minus 3. So 1 by half, comma 3. So put 1 by half, comma 3. So 3 minus 1 minus 3. If we get cancelled, this also. This side only. And again 8 and 4. So you put 8, 8 to the 16 and 4, 4 minus 3. This is also negative. So point all in this side will always be negative and this side will always give you positive value if you put the value in the equation. So this is very important. Now finding the foot of the perpendicular. So what is the foot of the perpendicular? Suppose one point is x1, y1 and the line is ax1 plus ax by plus c is equal to 0. So from here you are putting, so this point is called foot of perpendicular. So we have to find the foot of the perpendicular. So slope of this line is equal to m is equal to minus a by b, and slope of this one is alpha minus beta minus y1 divided by alpha minus x1. So that multiplied by minus a by b is equal to -1. So that means beta by y1 divided by b is equal to alpha minus x1 divided by a. Suppose this one is k. So beta is equal to bk plus y1 and alpha is equal to ak plus x1. Now this point will satisfy this equation. So this will be a alpha. So ak plus x1 plus bk plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So here you take k common, then a square plus b square is equal to minus ax1 comma, you take common minus by1 minus plus c. So k will be minus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square b square. So here you put minus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root a square plus b square. So if you have to find the alpha, then you find this one. This value you can find because a is also known by x by this also all known. So and multiply by a and add x1. So you will get alpha. Similarly, you can get beta. So this is the very important formula to finding foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular. Now solve some questions. Find the equation of the line passing through the point itna and having a slope itna. So 1 point and slope. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 x minus 1 by x minus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 3x plus 6. So y 3x plus y is equal to 7. So this is the equation. Now come to the next question. Obtain the equation of line having slope 3 and makes intercept 4 on y-axis. So 4 on y-axis and slope m theta, so that tan theta is equal to 4. So y is equal to mx, m is 4, x plus c, slope is 6. So this is the equation. C means 3, c means 4, m means 3. So equation will be y is equal to 3x plus 4. This intercept, intercept, y-intercept, and this is 3. So now come to the fourth question. Fourth question, obtain the equation of line passing the 2-point equation. So y minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 into x minus 2. This is one taken, this one, this one, and 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 equal to x minus 2. This implies y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So x plus y is equal to 3. Now come to the next question. The perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line has length 5. Origin line, this is 5. And this perpendicular makes 30-degree positive x-axis. This is 30 degree. So x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. So x 30 degree is root 3 by 2, y 1 by 2 is equal to 5. That means root 3x plus y is equal to 10. Reduce the into normal form and find the value. So how to reduce? So root 3 x minus y is equal to 2. Now divide root 3 square plus 1 square, and here also root 3 square plus 1 square, and here also root 3 square 1 square. So root 3 3 1 4 4 under root 2. So that will give you root 3 by 2 x minus y by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2. So alpha is equal to 30 degree. And here p is equal to 1. So get the answer. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to x-axis and 3 unit below. So parallel to x-axis means m is equal to 0 and 3 unit below it. X-axis is 3 unit. So that is minus 3. That means x is equal to y is equal to minus 3. So parallel to form is y is equal to k. So k is minus 3. So equation will be y is equal to minus 3. Passing through the origin and having inclination 30 degree. passing through a region having inclination 30 degree. So y is equal to mx, what is m? Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 x plus c inclination is passing through, so c is equal to 0. So root 3 y is equal to x is the equation. Passing through point is having slope. So y minus 2 is equal to 6 x minus 5. So y minus 2 plus 6x minus 30. So we take this y, this one. So 6x minus y is equal to 30 minus 2, that means 28. So this will be the answer. Now come to the next question. Passing through the point 2 minus 3 and 5. So take this one. Y minus of minus 1 is equal to 1 minus of minus 1 and 5 minus 2 into x minus 2. So y plus 1 here, 2 divided by 3 equal to x minus 2. So implies 3y plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. The answer. Having the slope minus 3 by 4. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus c. C is 5. So 4y minus 3x plus 20. So that is equal to 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So that's the answer. Now making intercept 3 and 6 on the coordinate axis. So this is making 6 and this is 3. So x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So you take LCM. LCM is 6. So 2x plus y divided by 6 is equal to 1. That means 2x plus y is equal to 6. Is the answer. 6. Question number 7. So this is the last question. Passing through the point minus through and segment of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis is bisected. Segment of the line, it is passing through the point. Suppose this is passing through the point minus 2 3 minus 2 comma 3, and the segment of a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is bisected at n. Oh, so this is n minus 2 3. So this is bisected. Matlab this one is and this one is same. So suppose this coordinate is 0b and this coordinate is 0a comma 0. Then a plus 0 divided by 2, because it's a bisecting, this one is equal. So this 2 point, so you add this one and this one divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. So a is equal to minus 4 and b plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So b is equal to 6. Now you got the intercept. So a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 6. So that means curve will be like something like this. So this will be 6 and this is minus 4. So equation will be x minus 4 plus y divided by 6 is equal to 1. You take LCM, then LCM 12, then it will be minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So this is the answer. So now we'll be solving many other problems in the next video. Thank you.